Car maintenance, regular oil changes. Hey there, welcome back to How to Fix Stuff. Today, we're talking about a simple yet crucial aspect of car maintenance, regular oil changes. It's a topic that can save you a lot of trouble in the long run. So, let's dive right in. First things first, why are regular oil changes important? Well, your engine is the heart of your car, and oil is its lifeblood. It lubricates moving parts, reduces friction, and keeps everything running smoothly. Over time, oil breaks down and gets contaminated, which can lead to engine damage. So, how often should you change your oil? Well, it depends on your vehicle and what type of oil you use. Check your owner's manual for the manufacturer's recommendations. Some cars need oil changes every 3,000 miles, while others can go longer, up to 10,000 miles. Next, let's talk about the process. It's best to let a professional handle it, but if you're a DIY enthusiast, make sure to follow these steps carefully. First, locate the oil cap and remove it. Then, place a drain pan underneath and open the oil drain plug to let the old oil flow out. After that, replace the oil filter, which should be part of your oil change kit. Finally, pour in the recommended amount of fresh oil, replace the cap, and start the engine to check for any leaks. That's it. Regular oil changes are a small investment that can save you from costly engine repairs down the road. So, make sure to follow your vehicle's recommended schedule and enjoy a smoother, more reliable ride. Thanks for tuning in today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more car maintenance tips. And remember, keeping your engine happy means keeping your car on the road for longer. See you in the next video.